Mabuhay ug madayaw, katawan sa Santo Tomas, we would like to report to you kung unsa di ay ang mga achievements ng Tourism Office for the year 2024 and of course for the first quarter of 2025. So we did this report during the first quarterly meeting of the Santo Tomas Tourism, Culture and Arts Council with Sir Rene Bungabong of the Business Chamber of Commerce here in Santo Tomas as the presiding officer during the council's meeting that was conducted last March 21 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall. So mga kaigsunan, we are gonna make this report because we want to make it known to the visitors and to the people of Santo Tomas kung unsa di ay ang mga activities, programs, and projects being led by the Tourism Office. And of course, we want to have further reach outside of Davao region, especially sa mga nagatanaw sa ato ang page, Turismo Tomasino, that this has been the achievement of Tourism Office in 2024. And before we proceed, please do follow the page, Turismo Tomasino. Ayan. So for 2024 tourism-related events na na-accomplish ng office, allow me to enumerate it by month. Kay monthly, aduna mangyo activities ang ato ang Tourism Office. For January of 2024, mauni siya ang atuang pambungad sa tuig. Kada tuig yun siya mga kaigsunan, which is the Buling Buling Festival. It is in celebration with the Fiesta of Señor Santo Niño. So last year, that was the first pagpakandak nato nga aduna kitay indak-indak sa kadalanan with the school-based na mga participants. Alright, so the Buling Buling Festival is in partnership with the Aklanon Association, led by the Solis and Siniel family here in Santo Tomas. So we named officially the festival, the Fiesta of Señor Santo Niño, Buling Buling Festival, and this is already inculcated in our tourism code of the municipality. So this is every January, and we follow it on the third Sunday of the Fiesta of Señor Santo Niño. Then by February, ito na yung first natin na pag-celebrate ng Himig ng Feb-ibig, which is in celebration of the Hearts Month. And of course, February is also Arts Month. It's a nationwide celebration that February is also Arts Month. So in partnership with the Special Program of the Arts of Santo Tomas National High School, ato ang gi-feature every Friday and Saturday, 6 to 9 p.m. diya sa Municipal Plaza ang ato ang mga rondalya and performers from SPA. And aside from that, with the support sa ato ang lokal nga panggamhanan, sa Pangulo ni Mayor Uncle Roland De Asica, is that meron tayong pa-concert last year, and this was also held, it's a free concert held at the Municipal Plaza. So ito yung setup natin last year, and that was the first celebration of Himig ng Feb-ibig. And of course, we also featured the short films made and produced by the SPA students, and we monthly present it sa ato ang page, and also nightly dito sa ato ang kada weekend na performance diya sa Municipal Plaza. So we are trying to promote not only the ecotourism destinations that we have here in our municipality, but as well as the talents of our youth nga naa dinha gina-cultivate sa ato ang mga eskwelahan. So we are looking forward that this will become not just a yearly event, but also it will reach a wider audience, as well as more students coming from different schools to participate in the soon next year, hopefully, ng ating Himig ng Feb-ibig celebration. And then, of course, in the month of March, we always celebrate the Suba ni Bukidnon anniversary. So it's every March 13, wherein fini-feature natin yung gastric tourism nato, which is the pomelo. So wala mga nakahibalo, mga kaigsuunan, Santo Tomas is one of the producers of our kanang ginapasalubong nato nga pomelo diya sa Davao City. No, I'm not gonna name the brand, but ito yung mga binibili natin whenever we want to bring pomelo to other areas of the country as pasalubong. So Santo Tomas is a proud producer of pomelo, not just the export quality na banana Cavendish. So it's in Barangay New Visayas, and Suba Nubicundao is actually a dam along the Tuganay River, and this is being managed by Barangay New Visayas, no, by our Barangay Council of Women na si Ma'am Vilma Haway. And activities na nandun whenever we do the Suba ni Bukidnon anniversary is ang atoang featuring of the 3 tribes that are there, no, yung Ibatans na food, Ilonggos, and the Ata Manobo, or the Ata of Pakibato. Kasi nga, dalawa yung ating Kanti holders sa Santo Tomas. We have the Ata Manobo of Davao del Norte, which covers San Jose, Magwawa, and Barangay Tibalog. But also, we have Kanti of Ata of Pakibato, which covers the 4 barangays. We have Barangay New Visayas, Balagunan, Bubungon, and Tulalian. So sila yung isa na naghahatag ng ilahang food presentation during the Suba ni Bukidnon anniversary. And also, we have the Balsa, no? That is one of the water activities that we offer for the visitors in Suba ni Bukidnon. And of course, in celebration to that, no, nag-conduct din tayo ng training for our lifeguards na mga BPATs ng Barangay New Visayas, tsaka yung mga nagbabantay sa Suba ni Bukidnon to ensure the safety and security of our visitors in the area. And at night, no, nag-perform mga tuang local bands. The LGU band and another band performed during the night affair of the Suba ni Bukidnon anniversary, and that is during the month of March. And in the month also of March, we also celebrate, no, based on the tourism code, the Kibalaog Festival. So wala mga nakahibalo, no? Kibalaog is the Ata Manobo word, which refers to the creek, the Asafe-Dorod 4, and eventually naging Tibalog siya. And so this is in celebration of Araw ng Tibalog, and what the government, the barangay officials of Barangay Tibalog did last year is that they had a fiesta sanayon theme celebration na nag-compete ang mga tanan purok, no? So they have a fiesta celebration, and they featured the local products being produced by the people in the purok. And in partnership with the Municipal Tourism Office, they were able to launch, to celebrate, kasi na matagal nang na-launch ng Kibalaog Festival, but they were able to do that. And we did identify a few of the possible, no, potential na mga tourism destinations din sa poblasyon sa Barangay Tibalog. Ayan. And then in the month of April, the municipality of Santo Tomas, we participated in the Kalotong Pilipino Festival. It's the food festival of the Philippines, celebrated every April, no, at Abrisa, Davao City. Dito na to siya gi-official launch ang atoang mga banana products, which has been the long goal of the municipality to produce our own one town, one product. So since banana country mangyod ang Santo Tomas, no, we opt to make byproducts out of banana. And so Musa yung pangalan natin because that is, Musa means saging, no? But this time, the Musa products that we produced as our gastro tourism is ang atoang mga gihimo gigama sa mga estudyante sa STCAS, no? Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology, more on the BTVTED at saka yung sa agribusiness natin. So we launched the Musa wine there, and then we also have the Musa Extravaganza, yung kanang mura siyang banana mousse, mura siyang ice cream na pang counterpart natin sa Magnum ice cream. And we also have the banana nuggets, which is a healthy alternate to chicken nuggets. So it was launched during the time. If you look at the page now, makita ninyo yung isa sa mga estudyante, no, we're talking to guests during that event, no, mga foreigners, and they were amazed that we were able to come up with such products from not only from the fruit of the banana, but yung stem niya, yung leaves niya, ganon, no? So coconut is not just the tree of life, but as well as banana. Ayan. So, we also featured last year sa Kalutong Festival ato ang mga indigenous food products sama sa binaki ng Mandaya, then the ginataang talong ng Barangay Talomo. No, kasi Talomo actually comes from the word Taumo, from the local word of the Mandaya, which is the dominant tribe in Barangay Talomo. So from Taumo, naging Talomo siya. And actually, Taumo means eggplant. So yun yung ginawa nila na product. No? Na dinala natin sa Abriza last year. And of course, we also featured the Musa wine and a fruit cocktail that is being mixed with other concoction to make sure to make it more palatable, masarap siya with only 5% alcohol. Ayan. So that is April.